today's video, I'm going to show you how to delete all trash in Notion. If you use Notion often, you know how quickly your workspace can get cluttered with old pages, outdated projects, or notes you no longer need. Clearing your trash helps keep everything neat and organized. Start by opening your Notion home page. On the left sidebar, locate the section labeled Trash and click on it. Here you will see all the pages and items you've sent to trash. While Notion doesn't currently offer a one-click delete all option, you can manually delete each item safely. Click the trash icon next to the page you want to remove. A prompt will appear asking you to confirm deletion. This is your final checkpoint to make sure you really want to erase it permanently. Once you're certain, click delete page. Remember, deleted pages cannot be recovered, so double check before you hit that button. If you're unsure about an item, it's okay to leave it in trash a little longer. And that's it. By following these steps, you can keep your Notion workspace tidy and distraction free. It may take a few minutes if you have many items, but your digital workspace will thank you. Thanks for watching and happy organizing.